What makes an architectural project truly extraordinary? It's not just about form, function, or even innovation. It's about something deeper, the story behind it. The best architecture isn't created, it's uncovered. It's already there, waiting to be revealed and discovered. Hi, I'm Moshe Katz, and this is the Creative Research, finding the DNA of your project. Most architects start with a sketch, a site, a client's needs, but before you design anything, you have to ask, what does this space want to be? Not what brief says or what regulations demand, but what is it already present, waiting to take shape? Architecture isn't something we impose on a place. It's something we listen for, something that emerges from the landscape, the culture, the people. Research isn't just about collecting data. That's what most architects stop. But real creative research goes beyond facts and figures. It's about curiosity. It's about seeing things differently, the way light moves across surface, the rhythm of a street, the texture of a city, the history. Every detail, every material, sound and story holds a design waiting to be discovered. In this course, we're going to change how you see. You learn how to read sight, not just for what's visible, but for what's hidden beneath. You'll explore how history, nature, and culture aren't just references, they're active design tools. But it's not just about looking outwards. Research is also about looking inward. Your experience, your instinct, the way you interpret the world. We'll start by breaking down how to observe, analyze, and unlock the deeper potential of a place, of a site. Then we'll dive into finding the DNA of a project, the one idea that gives its soul. You'll learn how to translate patterns, materials, and cultural layers into architecture that feels inevitable, like it was always meant to be. And then we'll go further, pushing ideas beyond the expected into bold, visionary design. By the end of this course, research won't feel like a step in the process. It will be a spark that drives your creativity. You won't just design, you'll uncover, reveal, and bring to life something that was always there, waiting to be built. This is for anyone who wants to move beyond conventional thinking. Students, professionals, creatives who feel they're more to architecture than what we've been taught. If you're ready to start seeing architecture in a complete new way, let's begin.